Today is my birthday! I am so happy! Yeah! Mom, do you know what day it is today?
Today is Friday, my dear.
Oh. Dad! Do you know what day it is today? Oh.
Of course. Today is Friday, honey. Go and get dressed. You will be late for school.
Okay, Dad. Does nobody remember what day it is? Today is just a normal Friday, Bill. Okay.
Let us prepare for Bill's birthday!
This will be a big surprise for Bill.
Ooh.
I will bake the cake.
I will prepare some cakes and juice.
And I will decorate the house.
Okay, let us start.
Let us make a beautiful birthday cake. We need flour, eggs, milk.
Now I mix the flour and eggs. Oh no! The flour is everywhere! Baking a birthday cake is so hard.
These donuts look very tasty. I will eat just one. These cupcakes are so colorful. I will eat just one. Oh, chocolate cake is my favorite. I will eat just one. Hello, Tom. Do you know what day it is today? Today is Friday. Let's go to class, Bill.
Even my best friend does not remember.
These cookies smell so sweet. Oh no, the plates are empty.
What's wrong?
What should I do now?
What's wrong?
I ate all the cake, Ola,
It is okay, Anna. You can go to the supermarket.
and buy some new cake. I am going to the supermarket now.
Let me read the instructions. It says, blow air into the balloon slowly.
Okay. I will blow slowly. Oh my goodness.
This cake is taking so long. Why is it not ready yet? The oven is ringing.
Now I will hang the balloons on the wall. This red balloon looks nice here.
Now I will hang the birthday banner. I must stand on this chair. Oh no! Ouch! Decorating is not easy.
Lily, do you know what day it is today? Today is just a normal Friday, Bill. Nobody remembers my birthday. I feel very sad.
Oh no! The cake is burned. It smells so bad.
What is that smell?
What is that smell? Did something burn?
I burned the cake. I cannot make a birthday cake for Bill.
Do not worry, Mom. You can do it. I believe in you.
Maybe you can use lower heat and bake it longer.
Okay. I will try one more time.
This is a plate of donuts.
Oh.
This is a plate of cookies. This is a plate of cupcakes. This is a plate of candy. I will not eat any more cakes.
Anna, help me.
Why are you so sad, Bill?
Nobody remembers what day it is today.
Maybe nobody loves me.
That is not true. Everyone likes you. Everyone knows today is.
Come with me now.
It is okay.
These gifts look messy.
I tried my best, but they do not look nice.
It is okay, Dad. I will help you.
I hope this cake will be good. I set the oven at 160 degrees for 50 minutes.
All gift is wrapped antennas.
Wow. The gift looks beautiful.
The oven is ringing. Ah, the cake is ready.
Let us go and see.
The cake looks perfect.
Now let us decorate the cake.
I will put cream on the cake.
I will put strawberries on the cake.
Bill will love these strawberries.
I will write, "Happy birthday, Bill."
The birthday cake looks great.
Let's clean up and wait for Bill to come home.
I am home from school.
Mom, I am home.
Oh.
Mom, why is the house so dark?
Why are the lights off?
Surprise, Bill.
Happy birthday!
It's amazing!
Hey, Bill, come on in.
Everyone remembers my birthday? Of course we remember.
We only pretended to forget. We wanted to surprise you.
I am so happy today. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Come on, Bill. Make a wish.
I wish I can spend every birthday with my family.
Happy birthday, Bill. We love you.